talking about humans, connections, and everybody talk about what seems important to him. Know each other, help people around, open silos, take time to call, to organize meetings like here, time to know each other as humans. And what we say is if it's okay here, the other points will be okay. It started with human, so what is interesting, I see that there were a lot of questions about warnings, warning about commercial exploitation, warning about private life, security. Dictation can be dangerous. A lot of questions like that emerged while we were talking. But each time we focused on humans to have the answers, and values. What is important is to declare first our values and themes we share. Environment, autonomy, how I can access the data, how I am free to share one data and not another. These are values, and this cannot. It's not an ontology. It's not. How to say? A value is human. I want to say, if you see the arrow, we didn't think about it when starting. They came, and we saw that it's a cycle. If it works, it works, it works, and it's alimenté. Yeah. Feeding the circle. And while you were talking, I saw like a yin yang. So it's a balance between human and techno. Yeah. Cartography maybe permits that balance to talk between machine and humans. Okay. It's okay?
Questions?